common bottleneck in parts transport is the manual movement of carts to and from the production area. Loads must be light enough for operators to manually push without the risk of injury due to overexertion. Those times have changed. The drive caster is a one-of-a-kind solution for material transport designed to eliminate the risk of overexertion injuries and increase productivity. Strong enough to move thousands of pounds with little to no effort by the operator. Our engineering team can design carts to meet existing specifications or retrofit the drive caster system onto existing carts. Conceptual Innovations is second to none in industrial design and custom manufacturing. For more information or a quote, please contact us at conceptual-innovations.com or call 1-800-800-0036.